Perfect. Okay, let's get right into it. Yo! Hello, everybody. Very exciting unboxing review video. My first ever off-white apparel piece. I do actually have a pair of off-white shoes sitting over there on my record box. If you watch my videos, you've probably seen them sitting around. I never really have worn them. I've only made a video on them and tried them on for the video. Just because I got them too big. That was the only problem. So I just haven't really worn them. I have to get around to like figuring out how to wear them. Yeah, but these, I needed some shorts for the summer, came across these, and it all kind of just worked out. Sense Super Fire store out in Montreal. They have so much stuff there. It's really expensive for most stuff. It's like a designer store, but they have so much product, and it's really fire, and they do a lot of crazy sales throughout the year. So I have a whole series, just posted my like 11th haul where I got these, so you should check that out. And if you stay tuned, you'll see that I said that I'll be doing a review for these. So here it is. Let's go. Let's jump right into it. Let's open it up. Super excited for these. A little bit expensive, but you know, it was worth it. It worked out. So, ooh, that crisp embroidery for that off-white with the hand thing. I do have my off-white shoes sitting over there if you've seen in my videos, but this is my first apparel piece. So my first time seeing like the quality of off-white. The Nike Off-White collab, because it, you know, that's what Off-White usually does most of their stuff with Nike type thing. Even though there is a lot of other Off-White products out there, but the individual Off-White is usually like too much. It's too crazy expensive for me, so I've never really got into that. It's just like basic logos. I never really got into it, but I do like this new collection. Super fire. Yeah. Okay. One thing I did not expect is the reason I wanted it is because the khaki with the blue, and I thought it was orange. I was like, it goes so perfectly together, but this is still really cool, still really fire. Maybe it was like meant to be kind of thing, so I can get into the more brighter pastel colors. Like I'm into like lavender and pink now. Instead of like just being obsessed with blue, I gotta switch it up and then toss a little bit of blue in there. So like pink, purple that's the vibe lately. You got to be more happy, more upbeat. Blue's too mellow, too depressed. We got to really brighten it up, and that's what was like selling me on these between the black ones. But oh well, I do need some khaki type shorts anyways, so this works perfect. And it's this heavy duty nylon material with this nice finished nylon for the pockets. Beautiful. And then on the string it says shoelaces in quotation and like nice high quality print, and I love the high quality inlet on the end of these. I guess laces, I'd call them strings. This one, I didn't realize the string is actually like in the waistband, so that's good to see. So it's not just like loosey-goosey hanging all around. So that's nice, good that it is actually incorporated, whereas the other one is just going around with these inlet loop kind of things, holding it together, holding the bag. And one thing I am noticing is that you can't wear just the string without the bag. That's all. I would wear like two, because it'd be sick just to have like the two strings if you don't want to wear the bag, but you actually have to wear the bag if you want the second string, because the bag is attached, which is kind of annoying because this is such a little attachment that this could just rip off at any time, and then you're screwed. So that's why I don't know why they didn't put a string all the way through. It literally just ends off right there to attach the bag. I guess cheap, easier, instead of like trying to line it through. But weird. I love this like solid plasticky check. There's a random like string going on it too to fully attach it, so it has like a little loopy attachment to tighten it slightly. And then you open it up. Ooh, with this nice like graffiti Nike, I can't read it though, Nike Ink off cup Cupers SR, I don't even know what that says, with a beautiful blue embroidery. That's so nice. And I love how it just has a bag. Then you can just like, with that nice finished nylon inside, you can just store anything you need in here on the go. See, like you can see inlet things, but why did they not actually put the string through it? Like, whatever. It's a smaller bag than I expected, but oh well. We've got this 002 print, I think that's an off-white thing, I don't even know. Material tag in here, made in Vietnam, 92% nylon, 8% polyethylene. I thought it was supposed to be 100% polyester, but I guess it's because the, oh, I don't even know what polyethylene is. Beautiful, the Nike like lab kind of check there with the off-white, the new like logo for the newer collection, size medium is what I got. Perfect shorts for the summer. And then I'll have, oh, for some reason this loop doesn't have anything going through it. See, that's what I mean, like the string should have gone like fully through, and the bag's a bit smaller than I expected. I thought it was orange and blue, but overall I'm super pleasantly surprised with these. Like, I'm really happy. I love like this abstract design for the stitching to show the pocket area. I'm super pleasantly surprised with these. I think it was worth it, even though they're definitely extra expensive. One thing I also was noticing is how I was saying in my like unboxing haul is that it's just off with the hands. It doesn't have the face. I thought it was like off with the hand and then white with the face, but yeah. And then this mesh interior, super nice, super high quality. I think it's time to try these on and see how they fit. That's what it's all about. We got the tag here, the Nike tag, blue for M, white woven. I think they, oh, I guess off-white. I thought they meant like the color was white, but we made it through the video. I only paused one time, or like it froze, I mean, one time. And yeah, I wish I could wear 2 strings. Yeah, I think that was all I wanted to say. Let's jump right into it, eh, Crawford? Let's try these on, eh? Fucking A, bud. Oh, I don't want my laundry to be in the shot. This will be better. See my off-white shoes here? This is what I was talking about. They're just a bit too big, so I have to figure out how to wear them. Ooh, they're very short, but okay. I don't mind that though. When it's like super hot, you don't want long shorts. So I used to only like, I wouldn't like short shorts when I was a kid. I would hate that, but now I don't mind. I'll be able to like tan my thighs a little bit. I need some shorter shorts. I only have one pair of the baggies, like the Patagonia baggies. Those are a bit shorter, but they fit nice. It's just a little bit of a weird fit. It's kind of like I'm wearing like woman shorts because the pockets are tight. Yeah, it's kind of like a woman's fit, honestly, because they're a bit a running pant because they're so short and just like the way they fit. And I thought they'd be perfect because the guy was 6'1" the model was 6'1", wearing a medium.